The thing with Dewaweb is they've got personality and they've got class. Hi there, my name is Russell Meyer. I am one of the founders of the Global Ecobrick Alliance.
Saya Ani Himawati, saya salah satu principals dan kami berbasis di Indonesia. Bermula di tahun 2011 di Filipina Utara, kemudian di Indonesia di 2015 dan sekarang kita berbasis di sini. Global Ecobrick Alliance terdiri dari para pegiat ekologi. Kita sangat fokus di plastik di berbagai negara.
Ecobricking is a super simple technique for taking care of our plastic so that it doesn't become pollution. By putting plastic into a bottle and packing it tight, we can make bricks that can be used for furniture, that can be used for gardens, that can be used for structures to keep the plastic from becoming pollution. Because ecobricking is an open source technology, our website is absolutely crucial. Using our website, people from all around the world can arrive and they can learn about how to make an ecobrick the right way. We also have an application. Our application is key because ecobrickers around the world can use it to log their ecobricks, to manage their ecobricks and manage their projects in a way that helps them and their communities. For us, it's absolutely essential that our website reflects our values. That means not using big corporate services. That means accessible and open source. And it also means fast and efficient for our local users. Before, we were using a large corporate service and it was a disaster. One of our social media posts went viral and it led to a big uptake in our traffic. Our corporate hosting thought it was a DDoS attack and they shut down our entire website. We tried to get in touch with them, we couldn't, and it led to hundreds of thousands of people not being able to reach our website and get our information right when they really needed it to happen. After the fiasco with our old corporate hosting service, one of our volunteer developers, who's very involved with the open source community and who uses Dewaweb for his own projects, had nothing but good things to say about Dewaweb. Since Dewaweb has mandates to help environmental and social organizations, it was a perfect fit.
And especially untuk yang berbasis di Indonesia, salah satu value dan prinsipal kita adalah open source and local. And memiliki partner di bidang teknologi yang memang kita pakai itu berbasis di Indonesia, itu salah satu pilihan poin yang menurut kami sangat penting dan ini selalu kami sampaikan di community kita, komunitas kita global dan lokal dan kita sangat bangga dengan itu.
Over the last 5 years, our organization website has had different technical problems, but in every single instance, the Dewaweb Ninja staff have been there to help us out, and it's amazing. Their turnover time on our questions is like that. They've got the answers, they run with it, and they get our server back up and running in no time. The advantages for us of Dewaweb are, number one, they're based here in Indonesia. The servers run from here. Number two, their Ninja supports staff are fabulously helpful in both English and Indonesian. And number three, the versatility of the cPanel server management package is fantastic. It's met all of our needs. It's been fantastic so far. When you're looking for hosting and you're going out there, there's all these big faceless corporations, big companies that are offering great deals and prices on hosting, but it's all kind of the same. The thing with Dewaweb is they've got personality and they've got class. So when I'm dealing on tech support, I'm dealing not with just some generic bots or some generic person. I'm dealing with Bayu Juliano, I'm dealing with Vincent, I'm dealing with Harry, and they've got personality. This is a company that has class and distinguishes themselves precisely because they've got character. And so because of that, it's easy to recommend them compared to the other faceless, generic hosting packages that are out there.
Saya secara pribadi dari Global Ecobrick Alliance tuh seneng banget we can really share our experience working with you guys untuk wider audience dan terutama untuk teman-teman atau masyarakat di Indonesia.
Our website is growing, our app is growing, we're getting more users, we're getting more hits as people become more and more concerned about plastic pollution around the world. And we're looking forward to grow our service and grow our reach with the help of Dewaweb as they offer more services and more servers for us and for others around Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih banyak.
Cari hosting yang aman, Dewaweb.